This is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. In today's video, I will go through an important feature in Zoho Books that helps protect your accounting data. The transaction lock. If you are managing finance and need to ensure that no one accidentally alters finalized transactions, this feature is a lifesaver. So let's get started. Before we go to the video, let's first understand what a transaction lock is. A transaction lock is a security feature in Zoho Books that prevents users from editing or deleting transactions that have already been finalized for a certain period. This ensures that your accounting data remains accurate and prevents accidental or intentional changes after a specific date. The importance of the feature includes ensuring data integrity, helps with compliance, and prevents fraud. You can log the transactions under Accountant module. You can see either you can log the transactions individually or log all transactions at once. For example, if you want to log the sales transactions for a particular period, you can click on log button. You can provide the date in which you have to log the transactions, and you can click on log after providing the reason for logging the transactions. Here, for example, I am providing audited and finalized. You can see the red icon which shows that the transactions are logged. So you can see here the transaction created before the May 1st that I have set the date for May 1 have been logged, and the reason for the transaction logging also listed over here. If you want to edit any data you have provided like date or the reason, you can do it by clicking the edit option. And if you want to unlock the transactions for any purpose, there are two options. Either you can unlock partially, have to provide the unlock period and the reason to unlock, and either you can unlock it completely by providing the reason. So the transactions are unlocked. If you want to lock all the transactions at once, you can see the option switch to lock all transactions. Click on that and click on lock button. Provide the log date. Please note that if you are providing May 1st as the log date, the date prior to the period are logged. Okay, so provide the reason, click log, and all the transactions created before this date will be logged, and here the reason will be listing. Once lock is set, any transactions before the log date will be read only. This means no one can edit or delete them. If someone tries to change a logged transaction, they will get a warning saying that the transaction can't be modified because the lock is in place. And that's the wrap of today's video. Hopefully now you have a solid understanding of how to use the transaction lock in books to keep your data safe and secure. If you have any questions or need help with Zoho Books, please do contact and we will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.